As I teach them now, God give them a better understanding in the name of Jesus. So that at the end of this class,
Amen.
it will be impactful. For in Jesus' mighty name we pray. Amen. My name is Mr. Elam Harna. I'm here to teach you basic technology, JSS2. The topic I have with me, don't worry, the screen will be displayed. The topic I have with me, can you see the slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The topic I have with me is hydraulic and pneumatic machine part 2. Hydraulic and pneumatic machine part 2. In our last class, we've seen part 1. In this class, we're going to continue from where we stopped in our last class. Okay, let's quickly look at the lesson objectives. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to define or the definition of pneumatic machine, be able to list common example of pneumatic machines and uses. 3, that is definition of air compression, vacuum pump, etc. You'll be able to list advantages of pneumatic machines. Okay, let's quickly look at definitions of terms. Definition of terms. What is a pneumatic machine? Don't forget, in our last class, we've seen hydraulic machine. In this class, we're going to be looking at pneumatic machines. And what are pneumatic machines? These are machines that deals with the study and application of pressurized gas to produce mechanical motion. Pneumatic machine. These are machines that deals with the study and application of pressurized gas to produce mechanical motion. Pneumatic machine make use of gas to transfer power from one point to another. Okay, we'll look at the common examples of pneumatic machine. Like I said, pneumatic machine make use of pressurized gas.
Please go back.
Okay. They make use of pressurized gas. These are machines that deal with the study and application of pressurized gas okay. Like I said, pneumatic machines, these are machines that deal with the study and application of pressurized gas to produce mechanical motion. Pneumatic machine make use of gas to transfer power from one point to another. That is to say, okay, we're going to be looking at a picture of a pneumatic machine before I explain it better for you to understand what a pneumatic machine is all about. But before then, I believe many of you have gone to vulcanizer where a vulcanizer will inflate the car tire, either your dad's car tire or your mom's car tire. The pneumatic machines, they use the pneumatic machines to pump or to inflate.
I can't see your screen.
You can't see the screen? Okay, is the network from your own side? Is the network from your own side? Don't worry, all you need to do, you log out and log in again. Is the network, if you are not seeing the screen, if you are not seeing the slides, the network from your own side. All you need to do, log out and log in again. We'll admit you immediately. Is that clear? Okay, we're going to be looking at the common machines that make use of pneumatic. Okay, common examples of machines or common example of pneumatic machines are, what are the common examples of pneumatic machines? We have air compressor, we have vacuum pump, we have pneumatic drill or jack hammers. We have air brakes on vehicles, etc. Common examples of pneumatic machines are air compressor, vacuum pump, pneumatic drill or jack hammers, air compressor or air brake on vehicles. Air brakes on vehicles. Okay, we're going to be looking at the definition of all of these machines, one after the other. We're going to be looking at definition of these machines, one after the other. Air compressors. What is an air compressor? An air compression pump is a machine that blows in air into a strong steel tank in high pressure and deliver it through a nozzle or a pump to inflate or pump tires, balloon, inflatable chairs, etc. Air compressor. An air compression pump is a machine that blows into a strong steel tank in high pressure and deliver it through a nozzle or pipe to inflate or pump tires, balloons, inflatable cars, etc. Whereas a pump transfers air from one place to another. Okay, what is this air compressor is all about? As you can see from the definition, it's used to inflate car tires or balloon or inflatable chairs. Is that clear? Now, if you have, yes, speak up, I can hear you. Yes, speak up.
Your voice.
Pardon?
Use your voice.
Okay, I should, don't worry, I will do that. Like I said, an air compression pump is a machine that blows in air into a strong steel tank in high pressure and deliver it through a nozzle or a pipe to inflate or to pump tires, balloon, inflatable chairs, etc. Whereas a pump transfers air from one place to another. Okay, like I said, air compressor is majorly used for inflating car tires or balloons. And take, for example, if any of you or somebody have a flat tire, if you go to a vulcanizer to inflate the tire, what the vulcanizer will use is what we call air compressor. Exactly. Okay, let's quickly look at the picture of this is a picture of an air compressor. I believe many of you have seen this picture before now. Hello. Many of you have seen this before now, air compressor.
No, sir.
If you have gone to a mechanic, yes, a mechanic workshop or a vulcanizer along the roadside where they inflate car tires, you must have seen this machine. Hello, you must have seen this machine, but you don't know that that is an air compressor. That's why I'm telling you now. This is an air compressor. It's something that you've seen before now. Exactly. Exactly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's continue. You don't need to draw. You don't need to draw this. Exactly.
Yes, sir.
But you need to jot down notes, but you don't need to insert diagram for now. You can leave the space for diagram. You leave the space for diagram after the lesson or after the class. You browse the picture and you insert the drawings by yourself. Exactly. Okay, the next type of machine is what we call vacuum pump. Vacuum pump. Vacuum pump is simply a pump that moves air into or out of something else. Vacuum pump removes gas molecule from a selected volume in order to leave behind a partial vacuum. Okay, what does that mean? Many of you have seen a vacuum pump before, right?
Yes, sir.
Many of you use vacuum pump in your house. It's majorly used for what will I say? It's majorly used for cleaning out to remove dust. It sucks dust. You understand me? It's used for sucking dust, right? You use vacuum pump to clean your surrounding. You use vacuum pump to suck dust. That is why it's simply a pump that moves air into or out of something else. Exactly. We also call it vacuum machine. Do you understand me? Either you call it vacuum pump or you call it vacuum machine. Many of you have seen it, and many of you have vacuum machine in your house. Exactly. Okay, let's quickly look at the picture of a vacuum machine or a vacuum pump. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. If you have any question for me, while I'm still talking, do not hesitate to ask me. Exactly. This is a vacuum pump or a vacuum machine. Exactly. There are other pictures of vacuum pump or vacuum machine.
Sir.
Yes, speak up.
Sir, why is the chain for?
Pardon?
Why is the chain for?
The chain? I did not get your question.
Sir, I say, what is this chain here used for?
Okay, okay. What you can see is a vacuum pump. It has a roller, right? All you need to do You start the machine and the nozzle, you hold the nozzle of the machine. You move around the environment with the nozzle. As I'm going around on the floor, you see the nozzle will be sucking the dust around the environment that you want to clean. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Please, if you are writing on the screen, stop that now. Stop that now. Don't distract this class. Do not write on the screen. Do not write on the screen. Stop that now, please. Okay. Any question for me again? Any question? Any question?
No, sir.
Okay, let's continue. The next one is hydraulic is pneumatic drill or jackhammer.
Sir. Sir.
I can hear you. Speak up. You have any questions? Speak up. Pneumatic drill or jackhammers. What is a jackhammer? This device operates by driving an internal hammer up and down. This device operates by driving an internal hammer up and down. Exactly. And pneumatic drill or jackhammer, they are majorly used in construction sites to break heavy rocks. Exactly. If you have a rock and you want to break the rock, you use what we call a jackhammer. This is a picture of a jackhammer. Can you see? This is a picture of a jackhammer. Is that clear? It's majorly used in construction sites to break heavy rock. Is that clear? You don't need to draw this. All you need to do just create a space or a column where after the class you browse this jackhammer and insert the drawing. Is that clear? Okay. Speak up, I can hear you. Okay, sorry.
So the jackhammers have pin mounts.
He said, pardon?
The jackhammers that have pin mounts.
Yes. Can you see? It has a pin mount, right? And that pin mount also has what we call, how will I put it now? It has a pitch, and you may not understand it now because the picture is so small, but if you see jackhammer live, you get to see that it's not just a pin mount. Exactly. Exactly, because
Yes, sir.
when you hold the handle of the jackhammer and you press the start button, the jackhammer will be vibrating up, down, up, down, up, down. As it's vibrating, it will be digging the hole, or it will be breaking the rock that you want to break. Exactly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is also a skeletal view of how jackhammer operates. This is just a skeletal view. Exactly. You see, okay, you can see this side. The point that point that's just like a pin or needle, you can see. That is the hammer it moves up and down. You can see that's the hammer. Exactly. This is just a skeletal view of how a jackhammer operates. Okay, uses of pneumatic machine. What are the uses? of pneumatic machines. Pneumatic machines used in building as heating and cooling control. Used in building as heating and cooling control. Also, pneumatic machines are used to inflate car tires, balloon, etc. 3. Jackhammer are used for construction works. Jackhammers are used for construction works. 4. Pneumatic machines are used in the measurement of blood pressure. They are used in the measurement of blood pressure. Exactly. All of these are the uses of pneumatic machine. There are other uses, right? But let's just
Sir.
yes, speak up.
Sir, how can it be used to measure blood pressure?
Yes, a pneumatic machine, it has, I believe many of you have seen what we call, what is it called? What is it called? This thing that is used for measuring the temperature of, what is it called? I can't remember.
Thermometer.
Thermometer.
Yes, for you see, if you go to hospitals, they will use the thermometer, they'll place it right on your elbow, or they'll place it on your elbow, and you fold your elbow, right? Now, it has what we call a mercury. Is that clear?
Yes,
It has
sir.
what we call a mercury. A mercury is inside the thermometer. Is that mercury that is just like an hammer, right? But the mouth of that thermometer is just like an hammer, but inside is a mercury. Is the mercury that would, if your body temperature is very hot, the mercury will increase. So that the doctor will be able to know your body temperature. Do you understand me? Is that clear? Hello,
Yes,
is
sir.
that clear? I've answered your
Yes,
question.
sir.
Okay, let's go to the next one. Advantages of pneumatic machines. What are the advantages of pneumatic machines? 1, simplicity of design and control. Simplicity of design and control. 2, reliability. That is, they are reliable. Reliability. That is, they are reliable. 3, safety. That is, the chance for the occurrence of fire outbreak is very small when compared to hydraulic. Safety. That is, the chance for the occurrence of fire outbreak is very small when compared to hydraulic. Is that clear? If you have any question, do not hesitate to ask me.
Sir,
Yes.
is AC a pneumatic machine?
Pardon?
AC a pneumatic machine?
Pneumatic machine?
Yes,
I do
sir.
not. These are pneumatic machines. All of these are pneumatic machines. Okay. You want to see it again?
say is AC part of them?
AC? No. AC is not a pneumatic machine. AC is just a coolant. It's a cooling and heating machine. It's not a pneumatic. Exactly. AC, just like AC has a mechanism, just like your fridge and your freezer at home. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
So what other thing they use and measure blood pressure?
AC? AC is not
No,
used
sir.
for AC is not used for measuring blood pressure.
No, sir. The thing that they use and measure blood pressure.
Is what we call we already said that before now. In this slide, we already said pneumatic machines also are used for measuring blood pressure. Do you understand me? Did you get it? They are just like thermometer. Exactly. But it's different from AC or fridge or freezer or refrigerator. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
What refrigerator do or AC, they extract heat from the environment. Do you understand me? They extract heat from the environment. Heat, when there is heat, they will extract it and make the place cool. It's different from pneumatic machine. AC is never a pneumatic machine. Is that clear? Any other question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. In the absence of question, I believe I can ask you my question now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Evaluation. Question number 1. Mention 4 common examples of pneumatic machines. Mention 4 common examples. Shagun Taiwo, you are disturbing us. Shagun,
Sir?
you are disturbing us. Noise is coming.
There's no me.
Okay. Okay, somebody is raising up his hand. Four examples of pneumatic machines. Quickly go through your notes. Quickly. Do not give for us answer. If you have any question, you can ask me. But since you don't have any question, it's time for me to ask my own question. 4 common examples of pneumatic machine. Who's raising up his hand?
What you gonna do about it?
Common examples of pneumatic machines.
Sir, air compressors.
Yes. Yes. Any other one?
Sir, jackhammers.
Yes. Yes. That's not all. Vacuum cleaner or vacuum pump.
Vacuum pump.
Yes. All of these are examples of pneumatic machines. Okay, let's go to question number 2. Question number 2 says, name 2 uses of pneumatic machines. 2 uses. Joel. Number 1. Unmute the sound of your device. Unmute the sound of your device. Adam. Yes.
It is used in building. It is used in building as heat and cooling system.
Yes.
Cooling control.
Yes. Any other one?
It is used to inflate
for
car
construction
and tire.
Correct. Correct. Any other person?
Sir,
it is used to
Car
inflate car
tires
tires.
are used for construction work.
Exactly. Exactly. Any other person?
Used
Any
in the
other person?
measurement of blood pressure.
it's used in measurement of blood pressure.
That is correct. That is correct.
Car tires.
All of these are the uses of pneumatic machines. Okay, let's go to question number 3. Question number 3. It says list 2 advantages of pneumatic machines.
Simplicity of design and control.
Control.
Who is talking now? Advantages of pneumatic machine.
Safety.
Advantages.
Safety.
Yes, they are reliable. They are safety. Yes. And what is it?
Simplicity of design and control.
Exactly. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, let's look at the possible answers. Let's look at the possible answer to the practical question. Can you see? We have question number 1, air compressor, vacuum pump, pneumatic drill or jackhammer. 4, we have air brake on vehicle. Exactly. That is the possible answer to question number 1. Okay, let's look at possible answer to question number 2. Possible answer to question number 2. Can you see? It is used in building as heating and cooling control. Do you understand me? Cooling and heating. Okay, this is where AC. Okay, now this is where AC come into play. AC. Do you understand me? Since it is used as cooling and heating control, it's just an example of AC. Exactly. Because it used a pressurized gas. It used a pressurized gas either for cooling or for heating. Exactly. Okay.
Sorry.
2, it is used to inflate car tires, balloons, etc. Possible answer to question number 3. Simplicity of design and control. Reliability, that is, they are reliable. Safety also is also there. Exactly. Safety is also there. Exactly. All of these are the possible answers to all the questions. Is that clear? Yes, I can hear you.
yes, sir.
Please, is there any disadvantage?
Paul.
Yes, there is disadvantages. We have different disadvantages of pneumatic machines. Well, disadvantages are not captured here. You understand me? They are not captured here.
How will you give us the disadvantage?
Exactly. Okay, let's look at practical objective questions.
That's the disadvantage.
One disadvantage is that they are very expensive to maintain, to design and maintain. Exactly. Exactly. That's one disadvantage. Okay, let's look at. Is the network from your own side? If you cannot see the slide, all you need to do, just log out and log in again.
What is your problem?
Okay, let's look at objective questions. Question number 1. Air compressor is an example of which type of machine? A, electricity. B, hydraulic. C, pneumatic. Air compressor is an example of which type of machines? A, option A.
Please, I can't see your screen.
If you can't see the screen, all you need to do, log out. Is you understand me? Log out and log in again. Is the network from your own side?
Sir.
Speak up.
Sir.
Speak up.
Sir.
I can hear you.
The answer is C.
The answer is C. That is, air compressor is an example of pneumatic machine. That's correct. Question number 2. Which of the following is not an advantage of pneumatic machine? Which of the following is not an advantage of pneumatic machine? Option A, reliable. Option B, safety. Option C, dangerous.
C. Thank you, all of you. Thank you.
C.
That's C.
Yes.
C.
C
Thank you.
is
That's C.
option
What
C.
is wrong with you?
Option C is the correct answer.
How are you? Abuja, how are you?
No noise, please. Okay, question number 3. Let's look at question number 3. Question number 3. A device that is used to inflate tires or balloon is called dash. A device or balloon is called dash. Option A, sprinkler. Option B, pump. Option C, air compressor. What's the answer? Pick up now.
C.
Yes.
Compressor.
Air compressor is used for inflating flat tires.
You. I accept. I don't know for him, but I accept.
Okay, let's look at the possible answers. All of these are the possible answers to all the objective questions. Can you see? Question number 1, C, pneumatic machine. Question number 2, C, dangerous. Question number 3, C, air compressor. Yes, I can hear you. Speak up now, I can hear you. Speak up. Okay, assignment.
I said it to guide them on.
Assignment. Question number 1. You have to list 2 uses of pneumatic machines. Question number 2.
Second poster. Put down.
Name 2. Okay, that should be 2 advantages.
I swear, but I want that person. I can see that person.
Shut up, Alvin.
You should stop now.
Yes, you have to name 2 advantages of. You have to name 2 advantages of air compressor. Is that clear? Any question before I go?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ask your question now.
This one that put hawker is talking to Kumbasi.
Ask your question now before I go.
Sir, how are we supposed to submit the assignment?
You are what?
Okay.
Go to airport.
I believe you have.
Sir,
Don't worry. Let me give you my phone number. Submit your assignment to my WhatsApp number.
What about your email?
I will give it. I will give my email.
Go back. Please go back.
Don't block me.
Tell me that you. Do you mean it?
who is Balenciaga?
Please go
Why
back.
you?
Copy it now, quickly, everybody.
I don't know.
You are a wish. A wish.
He is as I asked.
Jeremiah, something is wrong with you.
Copy it. You submit the assignment either through my
Keep quiet. Keep
WhatsApp
quiet.
number.
Like matter, they go and fire.
Exactly.
Fire.
Yes, sir.
Any other question for me?
Yes, they copy.
Sir.
So they make noise.
Any other question?
I said he just making noise. He don't have any question because he don't learn anything.
I will slap you, Alvin, from the phone.
I dare you.
I swear.
Oh, yeah, now I had to pass through.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So will you send the load?
Bye.
God bless you, sir.
Get out.
Bye.
You have done us
Thank
good,
you.
sir.
And,